Well, there's the track. And looks like it's a bit of a muddy mess. Nice, Jack. Well, Jackson, we didn't make it to the Badlands like we were supposed to be for the bash. We're still gonna sneak some riding in. Where are we going? Where we caught Aiden's four-wheeler on fire? Not quite as fun as the Badlands, but at least we'll be able to get out and rip it, huh?
Actually, it is.
It's a pretty cool little track.
Yeah, the track is fun.
It is. You excited to get your quad out? You like the track more than the Badlands?
It depends on where to balance.
Ella, you want to go ride? Yes? No?
Maybe so.
The four-wheeler still back there? Be careful. Think I'm gonna drop it?
Yeah.
I might.
I know you.
All right, let's get the tires. Ella, you excited? You wanna go see the goats? Are you gonna pet them?
There's that house that's been for sale forever.
That one?
They keep lowering the price on it.
Yeah. That was even closer to 6 than our last house. You caught a bunch of those trails.
Where do you want me to go?
Right here's fine. What up, homie?
It's an RV.
Yeah. Where's the goats? Hey, what's up, Trashy? You like that raccoon, Al? That is a raccoon. Come on, hey, you want to go see the goats? Let's go see the goats. Come on, Al. You think he's gonna get you? Look at the goats. What up, boys? What up, Jack? That is a lot of goat crap. Look at all your little blueberries up there. You see those goats? Those used to be our goats. Yeah, he did hit me, didn't he? What up, boys? Hey. Hey. He said, I don't know, he's never been in there. I'm about to find out. Heck yeah. Well, there's the track. There's the goat. And it looks like it's a bit of a muddy mess. So good thing is, no dust. But yeah, it's kind of sloppy. Let's see how that plays out. All right, Get the machine unloaded, get these kids situated. See where Trashy the raccoon is. Hey, Ollie, why are you leaving up barking at him? You gonna get the four-wheeler unloaded? Looks like it's a little soupy over there. Oh. All right, let's get it unloaded. See what's going on. Looks like it's a little muddy out there, Jackson. Tyler says as long as you just rip up that first layer, it'll be dry underneath. I think you still got a ways to go though. What do you think? You gonna go rip it? Go ahead. Oh, hillbilly paradise. Oh, it's just real slippery, huh? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah.
I just want to go down to the rock hill.
Yeah. No, it's sloppy.
Yeah.
Looks like you'll just fall over. I see ya. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
He just scared me. He was super close to the fence.
Yeah,
Ella, you good now? You're good? Can you say hi? Hi. Say cheese. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Sucks because it's so sloppy. We were out here a couple weeks ago, it was nice and dry, and we were able to rip it. Now it's sloppy, so we're gonna have to take it a little easier, but we'll be back. This kid's an animal. I hope so. On a what He's getting sick of eating shit over there. Where's Trashy? Uh-oh. Oh, Trashy the raccoon. Come on, man. Trashy, who locked you up? Did you get locked up? Hey, what happened? What's going on? We'll let you out in a little bit. Hopefully this track dries up a little bit. We got quite a bit of rain this morning. But even if it doesn't, we're gonna have some fun. Really bummed we missed the Badlands Bash. So to all of our friends that are at the Bash, I hope you guys are having fun. We'll be there next year. Dude, it's sloppy out there, huh? Super sloppy.
This thing's hard to ride.
Yeah, I see.
Small.
Yeah, dude, whatever, that's sloppy. I mean, I feel like dirt bikes are just hard to keep upright and like that. You like? Where's your bike? Oh, it's broke. Let's check out Jackson. Let's get the. Yeah, because you could drift. This kid's an animal, man. Last time we were here, he was getting air like 15 feet. It was awesome. Jackson said he was showing him up. That kid's 10. Jackson just turned 13. Anyway, let's let the kids have some fun. What up, boy? And I'm gonna go over here and play with Ella. Maybe let Trashy out. Let's do it. All right. Pick the video back up because Tyler decided to jump on Jackson's quad. Tyler's a nut. Chances are he's gonna do something crazy. And we're gonna try to catch it on video. It's so muddy.
That's how you gotta take the corners though. You'll dry them right up.
Yeah.
Here, Josh, you want to-
All right, we're gonna go grab the golf cart. Where are we going? All right, so the track's pretty messed up, so we found a way to fix it. Tyler's gonna get the dozer. We're gonna scrape off that top layer of mud so the kids can actually get back there and rip. God, it's nice to have friends with good toys, huh? Look at that. Let's get the dozer, roll back. John Deere, baby. Oz, you ready? Let's go for a ride, buddy. So I used to be neighbors with Tyler back at our old house, and I miss that house. Super cool guy. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really kind of bummed that we're not at the Badlands Bash right now. It looks like you guys are having a blast down there. We'll be down there in a couple weeks. Just didn't work out timing-wise. Middle of trying to buy a house. Still sucks, but oh well. Let's get back to the house. We're gonna scrape the top layer with this dozer, and we're gonna have some fun without the Badlands. Let's do it. Hang on, Oz. Tyler's gonna scrape away the top layer of mud so we got some dry dirt. That ought to work. All right, I'm gonna let him do his thing. We'll pick back up after he is able to, I don't know, help somewhat, I guess. And we'll see if it actually got anything done or if we're still dealing with a muddy mess. I don't know how much he's gonna be able to do. That's a low line spot right there. I don't know. This kid knows what he's doing though. Let's see what he can try to cook up. Hopefully it works, huh? Scrapes off that top layer, you'll be able to rip it. Al, you having fun, babe? What you making? Can I see? Ella, what you making? Cooking something up. All right, so we've been having a blast over here, but the night is winding down. Jackson's gonna take his last few laps, and we're gonna get loaded up, but he got a little jump over there that we're gonna show off. Which one are we gonna hit, Jackson?
One over here.
Right behind the bulldozer?
Yeah, the flat top and then a jacket.
Okay. What'd you call it?
Flat top? I don't know.
Flat top, okay. All right, well, let's see. Jackson took the baffle out of the exhaust, got it sound a little gnarlier. Tyler's trying to hose down those brakes because even though we replaced both pads on the caliper, they're squeaking again, the whole shot, so we gotta figure that out. Man, Jackson's really getting so much better. I'm so proud of him. I love watching that kid rip around on this track because it's dope. He's getting way more confident and just better overall. So let's see, he's circling back around by the barn right now. He's gonna come back up this side. And then that's that tabletop that he was talking about. Which it's really like a double jump. I don't think that's really a tabletop, but whatever. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's his brakes squeaking. Have to figure that out. Ooh, he's getting some good air. I can't wait to see the footage from his GoPro because that's awesome. See if we can get down here and get a little better shot of him getting some air from this side before we call it quits. Bring the camera back. Nice. Dude, this kid kills it. I love him. All right, so that's it. We'll wrap up the video with that. I just gotta say, I'm so proud of him, man. Seeing him, that kid's been riding since he was probably 2 years old, and seeing him being able to hit those jumps like that, that's super cool. So thanks, Tyler, for the hospitality. Definitely appreciate you letting us come over and ride. Oh, here comes Jackson. That just makes me a proud dad, to be honest. But yeah, till next time. I think we weren't able to make it to the bash, but I think we're gonna go down to the Badlands the weekend of the 26th. Still trying to iron out some details as far as that's concerned, but we'll figure it out. Definitely want to go down there and ride before winter time. So you'll see another video with that. We also have a turn signal kit from Benlari that we're gonna put in on the Honda Talon. And yeah, there'll be a whole new video with that. So stay tuned, guys, we got more to come.